Hello everybody, welcome back to again the LeetCode series of this channel. So, Today we are going to solve the problem number 4, which is median of two sorted arrays. So, don't fear when you see this as a hard question, because this is very logical question, easy to understand. So, in this problem, we have two arrays, nums1 and nums2, whose size is m and n respectively, and we have to return the median of two sorted arrays. So, and also the runtime complexity should be big O of m plus n. So, to solve this problem, we will let's take our what should be our intuitive. So, firstly, we will what we will do. So here is already nums1 array and nums2 array. So we will merge them and we will finally make a single array or vector mm, with the help of these two nums1 and nums2 array. And then we will sort that final vector or array. mm, We will sort that and then if the elements of that final array is even, then we have to find let's say here after sorting this, after adding let's say here is nums1, this contains two elements, and also nums2 contains two elements. So after merging these two different array and making this merged array. So here becomes four elements. So for finding this median, this is even number, this is even number of elements. So for even number of elements, what we can do for finding median? So we will find uh, we will find between of two numbers, uh, like left left middle number and right middle number. So here is left middle number is 2 and right middle number is 3. And then after adding that two numbers, we will divide by 2 and then we will get that middle. And uh, case of odd elements is very easy. So we will return the after this merging, we will have three elements in that merged array. So we will basically return the middle number of uh, that array. So now going to the constraints, you can see the constraints here. So now we are going to the code. So firstly, we will create a vector of in type, let's say box, and in this box vector, uh, we have to merge that to independent vector array vector. So here you can see that this nums1 vector is a array. So we cannot push back directly inside this created vector. So we will use here insert method, vector dot insert function, which is basically uh, what it requires. It requires that uh, where to put first argument needs where to put, and second what to put first, and then what to put at last. This is requirement of insert function. So I am going to comment it, and now I will use this for insert method. So where we have to show up this, so we have to show up this box dot end comma where we have to put the first. So I have to put the nums one dot begin, comma, nums one dot end. So our first is completed. Our first nums one array is inserted into the new vector box. Again, we will do the same for nums2 array. We will little change nums1 to nums2. And now this is already uh, inserted to the new vector box. So now we are going to sort this array. So box dot begin, comma, box dot end. So now this is sorted. Now we will make int n is equal to nums1 box dot size, because we will make the length of final array box. Now we will write a condition if n% n modulus 2 equal 1, then we will return box of n upon 2 simply. This is for odd condition. This is for odd elements in final vector box. Now we will write a condition. We will else we will return we will return box of n upon 2 n upon 2 minus 1 plus box of n upon 2, and finally we will divide this by 2.0. We will dividing this by 2.0 because in CPP, uh, if we divide by integers, then it will automatically understand and return the integer value only. So it can be also returned as double or float. So we will use here point 0. So it will automatically understand that we want decimal value. So it cannot ignore the decimal values. Now we are going to run this for test result. So yes, our test case has passed. Now I am going to submit this solution. Let's see what happens. So here you can see that this is that all test cases have passed and our solution has accepted. So don't fear whenever you see the hard question. Just go with your intuition and solve this step by step. So thanks for this. Well, welcome you all in next video. Thank you all of you.